First I'm going to peel my potatoes. We had some snow last night. We had about 8 inches. This is our first significant snowfall for the winter. So it looks like a winter wonderland outside. This is looking out my back window. See some deer tracks back there. So here it is from the front. Winter wonderland. And there's my husband. He just finished snow blowing, so now he's cleaning off his truck. So there you go. Our first significant snowfall of 2020. I'm going to slice them thinly. Like that. And then I'm going to add some flour. I'll put a couple of tablespoons and about a teaspoon of salt and some pepper to taste. And I'm going to add some onion powder and about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You can add any seasonings that you would like in your potatoes. Stir it up so that all the potatoes are coated. Like that. And I'm going to cut up some smart bacon, which is plant-based. You can use ham or any meat of your choice. So I'm just going to cut that up into small pieces. And I'm going to chop up an onion. So now I'm ready. So I'm going to pour about a tablespoon of oil in my skillet. And I'm going to put in about half of my potatoes. And then I'm going to add my meat and my onions. Smooth that out. And then the remainder of my potatoes. And then I'm going to cover. And I'm going to cook that until my potatoes are tender. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. I'll take the cover off. And if you can move it around like that as a solid piece, that's usually ready to turn. And you can usually peek to see if it has browned enough on the other side. So now I'm going to put my cover on, and I'm going to flip it over. Like that. And then slide it down again. And this one's a little too dark, so I'll remove that one, and this one as well. So now I'm going to take it off the burner, and there it is. And if you like, you could sprinkle some grated cheese on here, or maybe some little bits of green onion, but there it is, ready to serve. And there you go. There's a quick and easy potato dish that you can make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Yum, yum. Very good.